If you're running your site on WordPress or powering your store with WooCommerce, you're in luck. Installing Tidio is as simple as adding a plugin. No code, no stress. Today, I'll show you how to get your chat live and synced with your WordPress dashboard in under a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional chat widget ready to answer customer questions round the clock. This is part of our Getting Started series, so don't forget to hit subscribe and follow along. Let's get into it. To start, log into your WordPress admin panel. On the left sidebar, hover over Plugins and click Add Plugin. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Tidio and hit Enter. Then click on Tidio. You'll see the official Tidio plugin here. A quick note that you need to be on the business plan or higher to install the Tidio app on your WordPress site. Click Install and Activate, and it will begin to install the plugin into your WordPress website. This will take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a plugin activated message and you'll see a brand new Tidio tab appear on your left-hand sidebar. Let's click into that tab. It will ask you if you want to open up Tidio, but before we do that, if you're using WooCommerce, you can integrate it here. So let's click on Integrate Now. This will open up a window where you need to approve access. Click on Approve and WooCommerce will be connected. Now click on the Open Tidio panel and Tidio will open up. Here you log in with your existing Tidio account or create a new one to get started. I'm going to log in with my existing account here. And once you're in, Tidio automatically integrates with your site. You can click into the chat widget link, where you should see that the widget was installed successfully. I'm going to hop over back to my WordPress site, and if you give it a minute, you'll see the widget is live. And that's it, you're officially connected. In our next video, we'll show you how to connect your email inbox and social media channels to Tidio. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a message if you have any questions. We'll see you in the next video.